kitchen gadgets you didn't know you needed. All things considered, we go through more than 2 hours out of each day in the kitchen planning dinners and tidying up, so it's nothing unexpected that many are consistently keeping watch for a contraption to make the employment snappier and simpler. Smart creators have built up various things that have changed the manner in which we cook. Electric blenders have supplanted hand mixers, food processors assist us with cleaving, dice, and cut flawlessly, and the microwave has reformed the manner in which we cook. At that point we have those bizarre and in some cases strange developments. We see them consistently on internet shopping destinations, kitchen shows, and in our chain stores and markets, must-have devices that will save us time in the kitchen. Some of them genuinely are smart and make our day-by-day cooking simpler. Others appeared as though an extraordinary thought when we initially got them, yet life failed to remember at the rear of the kitchen cabinet. And afterward there are the devices that we can accept wherever really concocted. Number 1, Fat Magnet. Well-being specialists have been teaching us for a long time on the need to eliminate fat from our eating regimens. A large number of us have pushed toward lower fat cooking strategies and fixings, like barbecuing our fish rather than profound searing it, picking more slender cuts of meat, and remembering all the more new products of the soil for our weight control plans. In any case, the Fat Magnet has gotten an appealing option for well-being cognizant cooks. As per the advertising claims, you can in any case cook your greasy stews, yet this convenient device will effectively eliminate the unsafe fat from your dinners. Basically freeze the convenient device for a few hours. At that point skim the metal plate over your soups and stews. It will essentially get the fat, cementing it to be handily scratched away, giving you a solid, lower fat supper. Number 2, Banana Slicer. Since the beginning individuals appear to experience had little difficulty picking bananas from the trees, stripping at that point, and eating through them with their teeth. This well-known natural product has been developed and eaten since old occasions, and in more refined social orders, we started cutting bananas to eat them all the more gently or to sprinkle them across our morning oat. Blades have served well to cut our bananas for quite a long time, so it's amazing that anybody even idea to develop a banana slicer. Thusly, it's little marvel that it has gotten one of the most haunted kitchen devices accessible today. 2. The banana-formed bow of plastic has various edges which right away cut through a whole banana without a moment's delay. It's maybe valuable for those with joint pain or different inabilities which make holding a blade troublesome. For most of us, it would presumably take more time to fossil in the kitchen cabinet to discover the device than it would to just snatch a blade and cut the banana. Number 3, Grape Peeler. Grapes have been one of the world's most mainstream organic products since Neolithic occasions. Essentially get a modest bunch off the closest plant and snack on them. Obviously, it wasn't some time before we found how to make this convenient natural product into wine. Egyptologists have discovered portrayals of workers stripping grapes for their rich bosses. More seasoned grape assortments had thicker skins, which may have been more acceptable when stripped and cultivated. Notwithstanding, development throughout the hundreds of years has prompted grapes which are so sensitive and simple to eat that it's astonishing to find that there are really individuals who strip grapes today. In any case, meet the grape peeler, a convenient kitchen utensil with a dainty wire circle that empowers you to independently strip your grapes. It's no uncertainly a boon for genuine cooks who don't need grape skins in their plans. Most of us could eat an entire bundle of grapes in the time it takes to strip a couple. Please like, share to the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 4, Kurodo. Stripping carrots and other round and hollow vegetables can be fairly inerrant utilizing the blade or a customary vegetable peeler, so it's little marvel that somebody has concocted a sharp method to finish the undertaking all the more rapidly. Planned in Israel, the Kurodo looks and works precisely like a larger than average pencil sharpener. Essentially place the vegetables into the opening and wind, much the same as honing a pencil. The gadget is said to empower you to strip the skin from carrots in as not many as 30 seconds, without eliminating skin from your fingers simultaneously. So extremely basic yet successful. Number 5, Self-stirring coffee mug. Making the morning espresso is a genuinely straightforward cycle. A significant number of us have a programmed Hero espresso producer from which we basically pour our morning mix. Others can't confront the morning without their new barista espresso. For those of us who favor moment, we spoon in the espresso or wiggle a tea pack, pour on the heat and water, and afterward maybe add a little sugar and milk for taste. The spoon is no uncertainty still in the cup to make those couple of mixes to finish the ideal mug of espresso. In any case, it appears to be that this basic cycle turned into somewhat much for a few, consequently the development of one self-blending espresso cup. The mug holds two little batteries which power a little rush to mix your drink when you press the catch on the handle.